Hey everyone, Genome here. Just coming to you with one of my newest little ventures for YouTube. I picked up a little, nothing fancy, a little sport webcam a little while back. Haven't got much of a chance to play with it. You know, this time of year is just so crazy for me. But I went ahead and mounted it to my helmet and going to take a quick little spin. This time of year, I don't get too much of a chance to ride, which is a shame. I'm too busy with the side business work and other things as well. So sometimes you gotta kind of combine what you want to do for fun with what you want to do for, you know, extra work. So yeah, in this case, also there is the added benefit of pretty tremendous gas savings if you think about it. A lot of uneven terrain here in West Virginia, and usually a lot of ground to cover in between stops. So if you think about it from a fiscal standpoint, riding around a motorcycle makes a lot of sense. So that's one of the justifications I used to actually buy the motorcycle. So anyway, nothing too exciting today. Like I said, just gonna be like a little, I'm gonna edit it way down, so it's only like a 15-minute ride to where we're going, and I'm not getting on the highway or anything, so don't expect any breakneck speeds. I also kind of apologize for the sound on this. There's no mic input. I didn't realize that when I bought the camera, and the place I bought it from is out of business now, so there's no returning it. But so I'm having to do a voiceover on this. So I was getting a lot of wind noise, even though it's in a protected case. So I kind of just in my editing software, I turned off the or checked the back or eliminates the background noise, and had to knock it way down because it was getting kind of a weird, it's not really a whistle or whine, but it's a pretty annoying noise. So I know it sounds a little bit unrealistic now with the engine noise and on the wind and all that, but you know, no one wants to sit there and listen to wind noise for, you know, minutes upon minutes. So you know, what's kind of amazing too is, you know, I'm from Florida originally, and you don't really have a change of seasons down there. But you know, up here in a couple more months' time, all this green, you know, this Ireland-looking backdrop you're seeing, it's going to be gone. There won't be a leaf on the tree anywhere. So I'll try to take a ride down the same route when everything drops. Just have some freezing cold out, and just give you a picture of how it looks. But yeah, I mean, it looks beautiful this time of year. I'll have to get on the interstate and show you there too. It's really gorgeous up there. There's some, you know, real good looking vistas, but yeah, so this will be a faraway memory here in 3 months.
like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here, I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together, it's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Alright, coming up on the lovely town of Winfield, home of the semi-world famous Winfield Locks and the locally famous Dairy Freeze. And I'm actually fast approaching the bridge that crosses the Canal River. So not sure some good visuals to be had. Due to the camera angle though, I don't get the best view, so I'm sorry about that ahead of time. Plus there's rail, a pretty high rail on the side, so it does kind of obstruct things a bit, but what are you gonna do, you know?
In the great outdoors, forever free, you and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Passing through West Virginia's cleanest town, Eleanor, kind of en route to the job site. So enjoy the scenery of rustic America as it once was. Alright, just about the end of the trip here. My partner already got started. My red machine's right there to the left. I'll be riding that sucker for the next couple hours as soon as I get off of this thing. But hey, thanks for coming along and watching. Hope you enjoyed. I should have some more in the future coming at you. Alright, till next time. Take care.